Welcome to John Kleis Car's YouTube channel. This is a short little video on this absolutely classic Toyota Hilux behind me in its faded shade of pink. This car's probably still worth 10 grand and probably not far off my own BMW 4 Series. Bonkers how much these go for now, but give that a lick of paint, give it a restoration, it's probably a 20 grand motor. But what it was struggling with was a bit of a 2025 technology, let's say, because it had a real basic single DIN radio in. We're just talking about an absolute classic, an Alpine CDA 9828. I was actually working here when that came out. Classic unit, but what we've done is removed that Alpine, we've removed the little pocket it comes with, and then we've installed this KENWOOD DMX8021, which is one of them. 3-year warranty with it. I'm just going to turn the ignition on and show you it in its glory. Purposeful head unit built, but purposeful built car. Got the Toyota logo on, which we've added on, so the customer actually has the Toyota logo, which looks more in keeping with the vehicle. Because it had a factory pull-up aerial, which you can see right there, we can actually use that for DAB. So the customer's DAB is now working through his factory aerial. I mean, there's no glass aerial on the windscreen, which is nice. And then he still gets so many DAB channels, as you can see, all using the factory Toyota aerial, which is a nice little touch. The unit's got Apple CarPlay wirelessly. Haven't actually got my phone connected at the moment, but I will quickly do that now to show you. It's very simple on this KENWOOD unit. You hit the TEL button and it makes it visible. And long as your phone doesn't let you down like my iPhone 17 usually does, because these new iPhones are so poor compared to the old ones. Oh look, it worked. That's incredible. So I hit select, hit pair, hit allow, and then I'm just going to hit yes on the screen, and then my phone's going to say, do you want to do CarPlay? Just like so. Hit connect, hit yes on the screen, and then wait for it to do its little handshake through Bluetooth, and then it will switch over to Wi-Fi, and abracadabra, up comes CarPlay, just like so. Now, customer in this 25-year-old Hilux, 26-year-old Hilux has now got access to all the mod cons on CarPlay. So Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze Sat Nav, music streaming apps like YouTube Music, Tidal, Spotify if you use it. And if you have no DAB reception, you've got internet radio apps like Radio Player, Rayo, Global Player, BBC Sounds and the like. It's a cracking unit, DMX8021. I love it, it works really well. It's got push buttons on the bottom, kind of important because you haven't got steering wheel controls on this vintage classic. So the last thing you want is capacitive touch sensitive buttons on the unit when you're driving along, trying to look where you're going and tap the volume and missing it. You can actually locate these buttons and click them and hear them. It's such better. You can add a reverse camera to this as well. So if you want to put a reverse camera on the back of your Hilux, you can also do that. But yeah, it is a KENWOOD DMX8021 with not 1, not 2, but 3-year warranty in this classic Toyota Hilux. That is about it. Connor from John Kleis Car Audio, signing off. We'll see you soon. Goodbye.